This is Buddy's food, which has all the life essence that he deserves as a schmogi. It is perfectly calibrated to his needs, which I love because old man needs to stay strong for as long as possible. Come on, buddy. That's goddamn right. Oh, little baby. I feel like I'm watching a YouTube video. Nice. Yeah, it's like, Chad, why Nick isn't back? I want to kind of like try out a couple of things and really like work on things. So we have like a cool transitional phase to have things work properly right away. So we have like a lot of like testing streams in a way, if that makes sense. But I don't want them to be like giga scuffed either. Like either it works or it doesn't. But so far we're doing an okay, like it seems to be running just fine. So this is what Buddy gets. A big pile of mush. I actually never tried this in my life. Now the real question is, do you think this is like even like remotely fun to eat? Is this like human grade low key or is this ass?
That's kind of good. I love the dog.
It actually doesn't smell bad at all. Like it doesn't have any spices, but it's like So one thing I gotta do though, whenever I'm giving Buddy this food, I have to hide the drugs in here. So he's just taking them just like that. Okay, 1 second. It's almost all out. Good enough. Pog. It looks premium. It is. And now, Buddy's getting his drugs. If he's being a diva, I have to give it somehow separately. Hold on. Relax, Buddy, relax. I'm actually glad that he gets this excited for food. Because when a dog, although Buddy's like 12 and a half, as long as he's excited for food and as long as he's eating, it's a good sign. Come on, Buddy. Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, little baby. There you go. Nice. Easy. Nice. So that step is done. Now,